Crowds build up, chaos takes over, and your guests feel the pressure before the event even begins. Ever had your check-in desk turn into a traffic jam? Attendees waiting, printers jamming, and your team scrambling to find pre-printed badges. It's not the best first impression. There's a better way. With vFairs on-site badge printing, you can print badges instantly, on demand, and stress-free. Want to compare tools? Check out our blog, 10 Best Event Badge Printing Software 2025, linked in the description below. Let's talk about how to set up on-site badge printing with vFairs, and some best practices to make it seamless. Step 1. Prepare your data. Start with clean attendee data. Ensure names, titles, and registration types are formatted consistently. This keeps your printouts accurate and your lines moving fast. Step 2. Configure your badge design. Customize your badge layout in vFairs. Add logos, QR codes for scanning, or color-coded ribbons for speakers and VIP. The key is clarity and readability from a distance. Step 3. Connect your printer. vFairs integrates with popular thermal and label printers like Zebra and Epson. Just plug in, test print a few samples, and you're ready to go. Step 4. Train your staff. Run a quick dry run with your check-in team. Make sure they know how to reprint badges, handle errors, and welcome guests with confidence. Step 5. Keep a backup plan. Even with the best tech, always have a backup printer and spare labels nearby. You'll thank yourself later. With vFairs on-site badge printing, check-ins become effortless. No more waiting, no misplaced badges, just smooth arrivals and great first impressions. For a full breakdown of the best badge printing tools and setup tips, check out our detailed guide, 10 Best Event Badge Printing Software, 2025. The link's in the description below. Like, share, and subscribe for smarter event planning insights.